Well, this is Toffee. He's an 11-year-old cross between a Pomeranian and a little terrier, and he's been my good dog for a long time, and he's looking forward to a lot more walks in 2021. Even though we did do okay in 2020. So, yeah, there he is.
Sure. Okay.
Go ahead.
All right, this is Phoebe. She is a Shih Tzu Poodle mix. She's almost 14 years old, and she is looking forward to another good year of life in 2021, plus food and a great deal of sleep.
It's Maui. He's a French Bulldog mix, and probably just hoping for more treats.
Yeah, our dog's name is, and what kind
Luna.
of dog? What kind of dog is it?
Her name is Luna. She's a German Shepherd, long coat.
Okay, and what's she looking forward to in 2021?
To be happy.
I think just to be able to walk to the beach.
And what's the name again?
Abigail,
And what kind of dog is it?
she's Border Collie mix.
Okay. This is Eddie, and he's a French Bulldog, and he's a year old. And he goes to the Niagara Pet Resort Tuesdays and Fridays. So he's looking forward to today and Friday, because Friday's actually Frenchy Friday.
So the one in the front is Bolty, and he's an Australian Labradoodle, and he just likes going out for the walk in the park. So he's looking forward to 2021 to get more off the leash walks. Cindy Lou's just turned a year. She's a Labradoodle, lots of energy, loves the outdoors.
Hi, this is Bentley, and he's a Havanese, and he's about a little over 2 years old, and he's looking forward to lots of good meals.
Hey Sadie, come here. This is Sadie. She's 12 and a half, chocolate lab, and she is about as laid back as a puppy can be. She loves the snow. She's looking forward to, in 2021, more people. She loves people.
Okay. Go ahead.
Okay, his name is Arthur. He's 5 years old. He was rescued from Korea. He's part Jindo and part Malamute. He wears a brace because he had an injury as a pup and his leg didn't develop properly. And then all this happened.
Is he looking forward to anything in 2021?
Oh, he's looking forward to getting out more and doing more things.
Who is this?
This is Johnny.
And how old's Johnny?
Johnny is 9.
And what kind of dog is Johnny?
Well, his front end is pug, and his back end is Shih Tzu, if you can spell it. Given to me.
Yes.
I had Emma, and Emma died horribly when she was 12. My neighbor said I had to get a dog.
Oh, well, there you go.
Because I was walking in a lonely fashion.
Ah, yes.
And many people look for you and your dog.
And your dog,
Many people looked for me, and they found me Johnny.
There you go. And what's Johnny looking forward to in 2021?
Always looking forward to his mummy getting better, but if his mummy doesn't get better, she spends a lot of time in bed, so he goes to bed with her.
This is Finn. Finn is a poodle. Yes. In 2021, Finn is looking forward to getting a haircut and more walks.
Happy birthday to Tim.
There we go.
How old is he?
I don't know, maybe 29, 30 maybe?
Well, I'm not going to say. You just said it.
I'm not sure.